How? Do you think businesses should always be ethical, or is making money the priority? Hi, welcome to today's video or podcast, and today we're diving into 5 must-know words for talking about business ethics in English. Stay with me, these words will help you sound more professional and make smarter business decisions. And so, word number 1 is ethics. Ethics as a noun, ethical is the adjective, and ethically the adverb. Let's take a deeper look. Ethics. This means what's right or wrong in business. So here we can say companies need strong ethics to earn customer trust. So a strong idea of what is right and wrong. Ethical. This is doing the right thing and is the adjective. So here we've got a business. What kind of business? An ethical business treats workers fairly. And finally, ethically, it means in a fair and honest way and is used as the adverb. So here they operate. How do they operate? They operate ethically by using sustainable materials. So here's a quick question. Can you name an ethical company? And if so, why do you think that is so? Word number 2, responsibility. Responsibility is the noun, the adjective is responsible, and the adverb is responsibly. Responsibility means the company's duty to do the right thing. So a company's corporate social responsibility includes fair wages and sustainability. So this is the thing they must do. Let's take a look at responsible. This means to be accountable. And leaders must be responsible for their decisions. Careful here, or a side note, is the word or the adjective responsible is a lot of times followed by the preposition for, and then comes the thing that you're responsible for. So in this case, leaders must be responsible for their decisions. Responsibility means acting carefully and fairly. And so here we see we should use natural resources. How should we use them? We should use them responsibly. So let's take a look at a question for you. Should companies focus more on profits or responsibility? Let me know in the comments. Word number 3. As a noun, environment, environmental as the adjective, and environmentally as the adverb. Let's look at it as a noun, it means the natural world. Let's look at it as a sentence. Businesses must consider the environment when making decisions. Environmental as an adjective means related to nature. Again, let's look at that in a sentence. So we can say Tesla focuses on environmental innovation. And thirdly, environmentally is the way in which you protect nature. So again, we can say using renewable energy is an environmentally friendly choice. Think fast about the word environment. What's one thing businesses can do to reduce their environmental impact? Let's have a look at word number 4. Business as a noun and business-like as an adjective. So let's have a look at a combination of words here. So business ethics. So these are the morals in business. So Nike follows a strong business ethics policy of reducing waste. And business-like means to do something in a professional and serious manner. So we can say a manager should be business-like but fair. What do you think? Should all companies follow business ethics, or is making money more important? Word number 5, interact as the verb, interaction, noun, and interactive as the adjective. So, interact means to communicate or work together. So let's have a look at it used as a verb. Companies must interact with stakeholders honestly. Let's have a look at interaction, and that's the way people or business communicates. So a positive interaction builds customer trust. And now let's have a look at final thing, interactive. This is something that involves participation. So, an interactive website explains the company's values. Here's a challenge for you. Can you think of an unethical interaction between a company and its customers? There's a final thought. Ethics equals good business. Some companies say ethics slow them down. Others say being ethical builds long-term success. What do you think? Comment below. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you want more business English tips. See you next time.